i35equipment.com. This is the JCB JS220LC hydraulic track excavator. This machine is shown by appointment only. Please give us a call to get on the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. We welcome you to bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you if you like. If you have any questions, just give us a shout. This machine does have auxiliary hydraulics, switchable control pattern, full cab with cold working air conditioning. Delivery is available to your farm or job site. To get a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website. Hear the travel alarm going. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Appreciate you taking time to watch and hope you have a great day.